We just got a brand new lens, and we got a lot of questions from you guys on Instagram about it, so we thought we'd do a shoot exclusively with this new lens.
So our new lens is the Canon 24mm f1.4L lens. We have owned the Sigma Art 24mm for a few years, but we were never super impressed with the results. It lacks sharpness and doesn't really perform well in backlit situations. So we've wanted to pick this lens up for a while now, and this will be our first shoot with it, so we're excited to go try it out.
So the 24mm is not generally considered a portrait lens, especially when shooting with it on full-frame cameras like we do, but we actually love shooting people with wider lenses. When shooting wide, we generally get closer to our subjects, which gives the photos a more intimate feel, and we also include more of the environment surrounding our subject. You can really get creative with your angles and framing when using a lens like this, so we definitely recommend trying it out if you are used to using only tighter focal lengths for portraits.
The drawbacks of shooting with a wide-angle lens is you can get some barrel distortion, causing the edges of your image to curve inwards. You can also get perspective distortion when shooting too close to your subject, which can cause certain features of your subject to appear larger than they are in reality. However, this can also give your images an edgier vibe, which can work for things like fashion shoots, so don't be afraid to dip your little baby toes in the water. Bring like 1 foot out.
Can you lift up that foot actually that's towards me? Yeah, kind of lift it up. Yeah, kick it out towards me.
And then not swing it in front of you. And if you can hold that, and I'll just play around with the composition. So that's, I like the pose. Just with your head. So I think you're gonna be kind of like, probably like this.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to find your reflection in the mirror. Can you put like 1 step up here? Yep. Can you drop that shoulder? Yeah.
Can you kick the leg out towards me?
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend?
Oh my gosh, it's
She
gorgeous.
just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. Way you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes, man. Oh yeah. 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex.
Can you reach out towards the lens?
We ain't gotta go outside. 2 step in the rain. Wake up by my side. Don't care what you think. Oh, you just my type. Oh yeah, she know the deal like an old script. You ain't the first to really sell that shit. Champagne with the roof gone. Bump this jam back in Tucson. Think I got to get a move on. Never had much to lose, but you could do better with me in the middle of the road, or the back of the Jeep. So baby, let's not talk about it. But I gotta know, if I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. Way you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes, man. Oh yeah. 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex, man. Why you act so extra? Let me in your section. Running through my mind, we got a connection. Back home ain't the same, your pop's drinking all the time. You just wanna get away, come hop up in my ride. 2 goofies on the run, couple 40s in the backseat. Spirits in my lungs, got my voice a little raspy. Turn me to a yes man. Before we do this, girl, I got a question. If I take you down, would you really hold me down wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. Where you got me feeling.
Can you put the flowers on the other side and you just cover your face?
Oh yeah. 80 and a 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex, man. Oh, yeah, flyer than your ex, like oh my god. Right into your legs, like oh my god. And let's go on a date, like oh my god. When I'm back from LA, like oh my god, yeah. She still think it's odd, yeah. I got all these fans, she's the only one I want, yeah. Impress me with your mind, I might turn you to.
We want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. You've probably seen me make a flower crown and Daniel make the most delicious grilled cheese sandwich of all time, thanks to the classes we took on Skillshare.
Let's look at that grilled cheese again. Yeah, good stuff. Just this past week, I wanted to learn Adobe InDesign, so I once again went to Skillshare and found a class introducing me to InDesign basics. Now I can do what I need to in the program without flipping my gourd in frustration. Flipping my gourd, who wrote this? If you want to learn a new skill such as cooking or marketing yourself better, or even a piece of software like Photoshop or InDesign, Skillshare has that and over 18,000 other classes for you to learn from.
Right now, the first 500 people to sign up with our link will get their first 2 months absolutely free. Click the link in our description to get started today. We hope you enjoyed that video and seeing the shots we got with the 24mm.
Hit
that
like
button
and
turn
on
the
notification
bell
if
you
haven't
yet. See you next week. Do the thing. High five. Low five. Low five.